It's easy to get the wind beneath your wings in Slovenia, the land of infinite business potential, where marketing experts at Spirit Slovenia Business Development Agency have created a memorable national campaign to promote Slovenia's cutting-edge business environment with the help of the country's best companies. Chosen as ambassadors of Slovenia's business, the stories of their achievements became the talebearers of Slovenia's technological prowess, innovative spirit, and sustainable mindset.
We took on the challenge of developing and producing 52 promotional videos in less than 9 months. The restricted timeline meant we had to be smart in organization, creative in setting the framework for scripts, and green with our limited resources. We definitely embodied the message of I Feel Slovenia Green Creative Smart campaign.
To appeal to foreign buyers and investors in every industry, 40 ambassador videos are being made, along with 6 umbrella videos and 6 teaser videos, conveying Slovenia's green, creative, and smart character. With flexible solutions, such as the modular nature of scripts and the high-end production method, the campaign materials have garnered domestic attention and international recognition. In October 2021, the Smart Umbrella video premiered at Expo Dubai, while teaser videos have been rolling as digital ads on CNN.com and as TV ads on CNN International in North America, Asia, and EMEA regions since November. By being green, creative, and smart, the campaign videos point out Slovenia's unique competitive advantages and strengthen its economic reputation abroad. Take a look at each video on Spirit Slovenia's YouTube to make the most of it.